Today we're going to be working on this Whirlpool side-by-side refrigerator. The issue is that everything in the fridge is frozen. And if you're having this issue, then this repair video may be just for you. The issue is right here. This is the temperature control. We're going to be changing that out today. So behind that control panel, you'll see two screws. One there and one here by the bulb. We're going to go ahead and remove those two screws. Unplug safety first. Okay. This is the part we're going to be replacing. It's the temperature control. Only has two little wires that connect and two screws. Okay. Okay, so we're going to remove this screw here on the side panel. It's just holding in the temperature control sensor on the side there, and there's also another cover plate to remove. Here's the sensor. I'm just unwrapping it and removing it and pulling it forward. We're going to take this piece off here. It just kind of pulls out, slides out. You have two screws on the bottom. Now that you have those off, you can access the temperature control a little better. Now there's two screws here. These are 1/4 inch. You can use a 1/4 inch nut driver. Once you get those removed, now there's a ground wire also connected to that. And now we're just pulling it completely out. Pulling this long sensor completely out. Alright, so that's the old one. Now we're going to install the new one in reverse steps. We're going to send the wire back. Just checking here to make sure the control is in the right position. We'll get the ground wire back on, power wires back on. Like I said, that's a 1/4 inch nut driver. My multi screwdriver has that on there. So yeah, that right there, you want to make sure that the freezer temperature control, there's like a little notch on it. You just want to make sure that it goes back in the same way that you removed it. This little plate, it kind of has like a groove that it sits in, and once you can get it in that position, you can get the other screw in. All right. So now I got both screws back in. I'm gonna feed this wire along the side, and then I'm gonna wrap it back around that vent there. That vent is where the cold air from the freezer is going into the refrigerator. And the sensor there monitors how cold the fridge temperature is. And once it's at the right setting, it turns the control off. Or I'm sorry, it turns the airflow to the fridge off. So now I'm just getting these other two screws back, and it's almost complete. It's a pretty easy repair. I think total this took me about maybe 20 minutes total. You don't need many tools, as you can see. Actually did it with just that screwdriver. Like I said, it's one of those multifunctional. It's like a 6-way screwdriver. And yeah, we fixed this at my mom's house on Christmas Day. All her food items in the fridge was freezing up, and now it's good to go. The last thing I'm doing here is just putting these knobs back on. Took me a second to figure it out. It has like grooves on the back of it where it fits in the right position. But once you get those in, you'll be good to go. It's a pretty easy fix. Save you some money from calling the appliance guy. I will leave a link in the description for the part that you might need. That part that I got works a lot of these Whirlpool models.